Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars Missile Ignition V3 leather jacket. Okay, the all-new Missile Ignition V3 leather jacket retails for $699.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's go ahead and dive into sizing.
So I'm
out of your way.
5'11", 165 pounds, and I'm wearing a size 50. As you can see, it's very tight. Let's just say, for most people, this is definitely a race fit. That's what I'd call it, and maybe a little too tight for some people. So if you're even 5'11", 164 pounds, if you don't like your clothes to fit that tight, you may want to go up a size into a 52. So
also important to note, this jacket includes a fully removable insulated vest and sleeve liner. It's not super thick, but still, it takes up a reasonable amount of volume inside of the coat. You say jacket, I say coat. Whatever, man. So you want to keep that in mind. How much of the riding are you going to do with that liner in? Something else that's really important to understand is this jacket is Tech Air compatible. If you have a Tech Air 5 and you want to use that with this, you can do that. If you want to use the all-new Tech Air 7X, you can zip it into this jacket.
Hell yeah.
Which is sweet.
Sweet.
It's the way to do it.
Sweet.
Right? When you do that, like let's look at Max as an example right now. If he was going to ride in the coat as is or add like a back protector insert, you could roll with this size. It's going to be great.
If I were to put my Tech Air 7X in there, I'd for sure get a 52. And
you would have to go up one size.
Go up a size, yeah. Because honestly, if the Tech Air 7X wouldn't fit, this wouldn't be able to zip up. I'm being brutally honest.
You'd probably be able to get it zipped up, but it would be very restrictive when riding, and you're not going to.
Probably hard to breathe a little bit.
You're not going to love it.
Real,
So when I look at Max's size right now, for a size 50 Euro at that 165-ish,
yeah,
he's right at the top of what we would say the scale.
For sure.
For the size 50, right on the verge of going into a 52. So hopefully that information helps you guys choose the size that's going to work best for you in the end. Now we can focus a little bit on the jacket itself. $700, right? 5 cents under $700. This is a premium leather jacket. The quality of it is excellent. The technology they have into it.
It's absolutely great.
It looks sick.
It's great. The armor's great. Everything about it.
Like, dude, look at the logo here and how the slashes. They kill it. When it comes to that stuff, they absolutely
great style.
They kill it.
Especially, I mean, the padding from the elbow down to the forearm literally ends right there. It's great. As we talked about on another jacket in a prior video, it's got a really nice closure around the wrist. It's kind of a unique material. It's almost
looks like maybe a synthetic leather or something. So what they've done here is it's a little thinner, and they back it up with like a comfortable fabric. Yeah. Feels like almost like a suede, whatever.
And the way it is, it's very form-fitting to the wrist. So let's say when you put your full gauntlet glove on, like for me, if I would ever ride in the street, which I will in the future, it's going to be a full gauntlet glove because that's just what I've been used to. Yeah. So, and this is going to be great for that. As you can see, it's
less bulk.
It's more
dexterity.
More room in the wrist, let's say that. So
yeah, you're controlling the motorcycle, right? The overwhelming majority of it. You could go very fast on the street or the racetrack. Yeah. Never move off the seat.
Yeah. You want your hands.
Doing everything with your hands.
Yeah.
You want maximum dexterity in that area, and having a jacket that gets really bulky in the wrist, it's a hard negative. Man.
Easy to get, have less feel on the throttle. That's kind of how I feel.
So. Yeah, which is not a positive sensation. Armor that's included with this jacket. So if you're going to use an airbag system, this jacket is coming with their all-new Alpinestars Plasma Level 2 CE certified armor in the elbow forearm, large profile. Same thing in the shoulder. What they've done with the jacket too is these are brand new shoulder and elbow slider pieces that are fixed to the jacket. Before they were cutting large holes here and stitching around it. These, you can tell they're over the leather. There's assuredly some holes on the backside. I don't know how big they are, but they're much smaller than what they used to do, so it kind of bolsters this integrity in that particular area. Plus, they look sick.
They look badass. So
yeah, 100%.
New style.
New style, man. Perforation. Fully perforated here in the abdomen. All this stretch fabric that you see is going to flow air. Perforation here in the upper arm. Back of the jacket. This has a special race hump on it. Turn sideways.
Turning sideways.
See how it's flat right here? They build this as working better with their SuperTech helmet, right? It has a really big GP spoiler that you can put on it. I could see where some race humps that's going to get in the way, so they flatten that out a little bit. This race hump is also fully perforated, and they have stretch fabric over the top of it and some perforation here. This allows for an exchange of heat energy in that area, right, through that stretch fabric. The stretch fabric on the back of the coat is also some reinforced technology that they've developed, right? You can see like they've injected this rubberized material into it that just makes it more tear and abrasion resistant. Also looks kind of cool. The A-Stars logo on the back looks fantastic. Alpinestars logo there, screen printed on, some additional perforations back here in that area. Volume adjustment in the waist is provided with their stretch fabric. Behind that, this is textile and Velcro. You can really dial it in. Armor. If you're not going to use an airbag, we very highly recommend, at a minimum, you purchase one of the Alpinestars back protector inserts and install it in the jacket.
Yeah, exactly. It's great.
This jacket, will accept either the standard or the extended full-length piece.
That's that.
Highly recommend it. Yeah, that's that. I like your little commentary.
Yeah, I know.
And then in the front, there are pockets in the jacket that accept their chest armor. They slide in there too. So if you want to have a full complement of armor with this without using an airbag, you can add those pieces. They're super affordable. You will find those in the Alpinestars armor section of our website, and it just amps up that level of protection.
Sure does.
Other features, Benny's fully removable. We already talked about this. Insulated liner that's going to help you use this jacket from cool weather. Probably what we said, 50s?
Yeah, I'd say 50s, probably 55 and up.
Up to whatever temperature you're comfortable riding a motorcycle.
Big old pockets in the front too.
Yeah, they are huge.
So
interior storage pockets. One of them is waterproof. Probably the right place to put your cell phone.
Yep.
Nice, comfortable mesh liner when you remove the insulated liner. Excellent quality.
For sure.
Great styling. If you like what you see so far and you want some more detail, stay tuned for the second part of this video. We're going to get this jacket off Max, pull it all apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. The all-new Alpinestars Missile Ignition V3 leather jacket from the inside out. This jacket comes with a fully removable insulated liner. This is both a sleeve and vest liner, and you can see what they've done here too is up in the shoulder underarm area right here, they have put like a nice stretch mesh in there, right? Very light. This is going to make it more comfortable inside the jacket, right? And those are areas that don't really require a lot of insulation. You insulate in that area, you just kind of overheat, so they thought forward there. This is very easy, zip in, zip out. It gives you access, because this is a Tech Air 7 compatible jacket, gives you access to the flaps to activate the airbag system. Comes with the all-new Level 2 CE certified Nucleon plasma armor. Here's your shoulder piece. Same stuff we saw on the brand new GPR 7 race suit. Here is your elbow and forearm piece. Focusing on the shell of the jacket itself now, right? Segmented perforation on the back. You've got that reinforced stretch fabric, right? There's like, they've infused this like rubberized material into the stretch. It kind of controls the way that it stretches. It also makes it stronger, more abrasion and tear resistant. It's got a lower profile race hump. You can kind of see how this thing's squared off a little bit. They're saying that integrates better with their SuperTech helmet that has that big GP style, right, spoiler on it. Screen printed logo here, screen printed logo up here. Stretch fabric is used here, perforation there. The hump itself is completely perforated. That allows for an exchange of energy in that area, heat energy, just to keep the rider cooler and more comfortable. Volume adjustment in the waist is done with textile Velcro, right? And that stretch fabric behind it. If you need to adjust there, this is designed to bunch up, right? Nice and easy. folds up much nicer and cleaner than leather would, and that's why they've chosen to use that material in that area. All new elbow and shoulder sliders, right? These are integrated right into the sleeve. These are non-replaceable, and these, the leather is actually still under there. You can feel that, right? I don't believe that they come off, but I don't think they're replaceable. But the leather is still intact underneath, so you'll have a higher level of durability there. These are going to increase impact, protection, abrasion resistance. Got your sleeves, some good looking screen printing. The termination of the cuff is the same thing we saw in the all new GPR 7 race suit. This is like a leather panel. It's got like a comfort fabric bonded on the inside maybe. What's really nice is if you're going to wear a gauntlet glove that goes over the top of that, by using thinner material in that area, you have less bulk in the wrist, which is going to obviously increase dexterity in that area. Perforation here in the upper arm, a lot of perf there. New shoulder slider, some good looking screen printing here. Get to the front of the coat. Leather panel, segmented perf right here in the abdomen, screen printed logo. All the stretch fabric you see here and up in this area, that is going to allow air to flow freely. Hand warmer style storage pockets on both sides with zippers. You can see the collar of the jacket. It's done in the same manner that they've done the cuff of the sleeve, so it's much more low profile in that area to enhance comfort. Get inside the jacket. This is Tech Air 7X compatible, which means the Tech Air 7X will zip right into this jacket. That's the best way to do it. You've got your zippered attachments here. You've got your Velcro attachments here, and of course down in the sleeve. Integrates right into the jacket. It's the most comfortable way to wear that protection without question. If you already have a Tech Air 5 and that's what you want to use on the street, this jacket will also work just fine with that unit. If you don't have either one of the airbag systems and don't intend to do it, we highly recommend that you add back and or chest protection to this jacket. This jacket will accept either the standard length Alpinestars back protector insert or the newer full coverage unit that offers a little more coverage down the bottom of the spine. Whichever direction you go with, we recommend highly adding at a minimum that back protection, right? If you're not going to use an airbag. This jacket will also accept chest armor. The inserts slide right in. You undo the Velcro pocket here, slide the insert in, and you are protected up front in the same way you would be protected in the back. Interior storage with this jacket. Slip style storage pocket here on the right side. On the left side, we have a zippered, waterproof storage pocket. Great place to put your cell phone, of course. If you want to run pants and have a two-piece suit, there's a full zip to pants attachment. These are going to work with any of the standard current Alpinestars riding pants. To access the armor in the jacket, there is a pocket right here at the base of the jacket. You can simply zip open. Allows you to get in there, get to the shoulder and or elbow and forearm armor. To install the back protector insert, undo the Velcro here. The first pocket, you can kind of see where my hand is stopped there. That's going to be for the standard length protector. The protectors, they're come in different sizes. We have on the listings for each one of the protectors a size chart. It's going to help you choose the right one for your jacket. If you want to go with that full coverage, just to illustrate the difference, you can see that's where the one stops, the standard length, and then the full, that's where that one stops. So it's fairly significant. You're picking up some pretty good coverage, and that's something that when you're sitting on the bike, it's not really going to be pushing up a lot, causing a lot of discomfort, and it's going to get you more protection if that is something that you're interested in. The quality of the jacket looks great. I love the CE Level 2 armor. Adding that removable insulated liner, both sleeve and vest, I think that's a bonus. You know, being able to use this with the Tech Air 7X, I think that's fantastic, right? This jacket obviously sells at a premium price. What we've seen now over the last couple of years is any of the more top-end leather jackets, they're all creeping up in that $700+ price point. This one slots right in just below $700 at $699.95. Represents a significant investment. looking at it, having handled it, watched Max wear it, I would say it's a quality article for sure. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.